20 past 8. This is what coastal living is all about. An early morning swim. You've just woken up, right? Just got out of bed and we are taking a 4-minute morning swimming. This is perfect. Guten Morgen! Hast du gut geschlafen?
Ja.
Und willst du haben ein Schwimmen mit dir? Let's quit talking and get swimming. This is the best. Now, the idea is to charge in, right? Charge in. I'll see you in there. Ah, the water is beautiful! I forget Felicia hasn't got the ocean smarts. I'll help her. You okay? Yeah. Maybe you better stand up yourself. You better stand up. Culburra Beach is a little bit rough, and for someone that hasn't got the ocean smarts, can be a little bit of a wake-up call. Just gonna chill. Watch out! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah, it definitely has that kind of shore-breaking dumpingness. I'm okay. By the way, when I dove in then, I had my arm out straight, pretty much anyway. I mean, you can still see that lump there, right? And I better go. Yeah, what I'm getting at is that I think my arm is slowly getting, not 100%, but it's kind of back to normal. Uh-oh. You could either take a shower to wake up, or you could come down to the ocean and get covered and just refresh. I think a mere 10 minutes ago we were sleeping. Felicia's struggling. It's not usual for her to have the ocean and this amount of ocean. Look at this beach, it's a bit rough. Oh, whoa.